Hey guys, I actually brought my mic with me, so the mic quality is probably still good. I'm currently not home right now. I will be returning to update on my Twitter most likely, you know, for stock ideas and stuff. But I just want to. I'll be back next week, right? But I want you guys to get ready for a couple trades for this Friday or into next week that I think will, most likely, if you have lost a lot of money, which this year hasn't been too good for me. Honestly, I think these two trades I've been stocking for a couple months, and I think I think it's good to trade them. AMD, obviously, if you missed the first wave, that's fine. The stock pull back and consolidate a little bit. I think this will be ready to most likely. I'm not sure. Trigger either Friday, which is August 27th, or into next week, right into September. And how I really like how this thing set up. We consolidated, and I really like the move today. How it went all the way back to the 5 day. Right. I didn't want to trade this. Let it go back to the 5 day, and then let it consolidate. It might go up to here tomorrow, and then you can buy this above Thursday's high. That'll be a trade for Friday. Maybe you stop at the low of the day here, right? Or it could consolidate for another day, or it could just fail completely today. Then we don't touch it. But if it doesn't fail completely today, which is the premise of this entire thing, if the narrative is that we recover here and then maybe consolidate, or even just goes tomorrow, I think this will be a buy above Thursday's high no matter what, right? I think AMD will be ready to have another leg up to test the all-time high, perhaps even go higher. Two other trades, they're biotech names, but they're pretty established. This thing has moved up incredibly and consolidated for 3 weeks, 2 weeks actually. And today, most likely, you see that we're forming an inside A, and I think it's going to be ready to trade for either August 27th or next week. All these trades are either going to happen tomorrow or next week. I prefer next week, but tomorrow is fine too. I think a high above right here is totally, it's enough to for 1380 above that. And maybe a stop right here, really up to you to where to put the stop. And I think MRNA. Now, here's the thing, if you think that it's $400 stop stock and you don't know where to put your stop, right? You might think that a $30 move is like really really wide for a stop. All you gotta do is move the decimal 1 point to the left, and then think of it as a $40 stock, and it will be really easy, to do that. So AMD, mRNA is my two biggest stocks that I've been stocking. One last one is BNTX. It's also biotech, really similar to mRNA. If you only want one of them in your portfolio, you can just do that. I will be trading both because I think that if these gets going, it will be making up pretty much all the money that's been lost. And plus that, summer is almost over, right? And we're heading to fall. And finally, I summer has been quite tough, you know maybe next year take a summer off or something. But it's been pretty ugly. I think a buy above BNTX is quite simple. Above Thursday's high, which I don't want to buy on Thursday. If today we go up there, then wait for a pullback tomorrow and then get going, and then buy it. Initial stop, I will put it at the low of this shakeout, and then gradually move it up. You may even, as you move the stop, you can even add to your share size to increase or remain the same size risk. But the BNTX, mRNA, Moderna, and the AMD, I think these will be the biggest three players in the second last quarter of the year. And certainly these three you do not want to miss. And GI, I think you guys should just put this off the list. It's garbage stock. You know, the way how it trades, it touches 63 and fails every single time. Maybe next time it works. You know what? I don't really care, right? I don't like the way how it's set up. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this. I'll be back next Monday to update on my Twitter and stuff. And please subscribe and follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/48charts. Thank you guys for always, you know, supporting me. subscribing. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers, and we are going to be partnered with YouTube really soon. Does that mean I'm going to be selling out more? No. The same thing is I'm going to be making the same type of videos. I make these for fun. I don't really care too much about views at this point, right? We're already partnered and 3,000 sub. I don't care anymore. And I have also, this is super late, but I was going to do it next year, but I decided to do it this year as well. The US Investing Championship, I have signed up. I know it's like super late. Like the series is like almost over, and we have 4 months left. But I think the currently stock division first place is standing at 189%. I don't know why, but I think I can win this. I can beat that guy in the next remaining 4 months. I have the confidence, you know. So we'll see how that one goes. But I have entered my name into it. If you guys see me, see a name called Forte, that's me. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and thank you for supporting me.